Hey everybody, I thought I would come back and show you the finished product. I lost the last of the footage. I was just going along, talking, chatting, doing my thing, and then I looked up and the camera was off for some reason. I don't know what happened, but anyway, I lost the footage where I had finished this up. So this is the picture frame that I had painted. And then I had this little suit for my grandson when he was just a little tyke. He is 11 years old now, and I've always wanted to do something with it. So I took the pants and the suit, or the shirt and the tie, and then I printed out some pictures of him in it. And then I just kind of put it behind here, kind of like a little shadow box, but it's actually a picture frame. And then I just added some butterflies in there to give it a little bit of interest. And to me, it turned out super cute. I can't wait to put this on my wall. I was originally going to make this for my son, but now that I have it done, it's like, oh, I want to keep it. I want to keep it. It was hard getting the stuff in here because it is a picture frame and not a shadow box, and it was very tight. And you know, like there's a few little wrinkles over here on his little collar, but you know what, so what, it's just the way it is. But it's done and I'm happy with it. That's all that counts, right? So wow, we're getting quite a glare from my lights. Let's see if I turn those off, if that'll help. That help a little bit? Oh, that made it kind of dark. But see if I turn that back on and just turn it away. There we go, that's better a little bit. But anyway, that's it. I thought it turned out great, and I'm going to go put it on my wall. Thanks for watching. Bye.